Hi, Edward. My name is Stacy Napper, and I am your instructor for this course. And this is your video feedback on your employee manual assignment number one. First of all, I think you did a great job. The formatting is perfect. You covered all of the sections. And I get the feeling with yours that when you use capital letters or a certain font type, it is intentional. So I don't really have anything negative to say other than my choice would be to not have this whole employee orientation section to be in capital letters, but I think you did that intentionally. So I think it's a preference thing. I'm not going to take any points off for it, but it certainly sends a strong message. Um, but I like everything about it. So I hope you have a great weekend and reach out to me via email if you have any questions.